close anymore. I hold you too close, too close. I lose my will to be so free. I wouldn't wanna go. We wouldn't have to say it. That's too many times. Anymore.